Hello, today is going to be a tutorial on how to make a basic train in the Create mod for Minecraft. This is version 1.18.2, and you can use this with either the Forge launcher or the Fabric launcher. For starters, we're going to need to use the cart assemblers, as well as rails, and a minecart with a furnace. Keep in mind, you can use any regular minecart too, but you're going to have to find another way to power it other than coal in the furnace. Next, we're going to add superglue, so that we can add other blocks onto our train so we can make it look like a train and not just a rolling log. Speaking of these blocks, we're going to add the blocks and then we are going to add a seat so that we can stay on the train as it drives along. Lastly, we're going to make the train move along by activating it by flipping a certain lever. And we are going to feed it some coal in order for it to start going. You'll notice that if I change directions and feed it coal, there you go. It starts moving. And if I stand here and do the same, it goes in the direction that I'm pointing at. To find all the items you need, you can go into the Creative tab by pressing E. And then if you don't see this page, you're going to click on the arrow right here that says second page. And you're going to search for the cart assembler, the linear chassis, and the rails, which I personally like to use this function and the compass thing to look up my items. It's much easier that way. We're also going to need super glue, green seat, a furnace minecart, a lever, some coal, and a wrench. This wrench is not super important, but it is good to know what it does in order if you want to customize the way your trains move. Whether it be smoothing down their turns or the direction they're going in. We're going to start off with a cart assembler, and let's do two of them for good measure. We're going to add in a linear chassis. If you notice, if you click shift to crouch and then place the block, it'll place it vertically. If you simply just place it as is, it will go into your orientation. Now, after this, we are going to hop up here, add a little bit of glue for the seat. Let's add some wings to this. So, and let's choose a piece of regular block, maybe some grass wings. That would do. And I'm going to add an extra block here with super glue, and one here without super glue to show you what happens. When we want to activate this train, we are going to get our rolling system going, which is the minecart. And if you didn't see that, I placed the minecart block on the train creator block, which is the cart assembler block. You don't have to land it specifically inside the rail. It can just be anywhere on this, and it should position it in the right place. When we go to activate this train, we're going to add a lever to it, flick it, and you see it should hop up a little. Now, this block here did not hop up, and there is a reason for that. I did not add super glue to that, therefore it is not considered part of the train. So let's fix that right now. And let's add our seat, which I totally forgot about. Let's put some decoration. Right, your train is now practically ready to go. We're going to launch it on its adventures. And it doesn't move. Because we need fuel. We need coal. So we are going to grab some coal and then right click either the front or the back furnace. Keep in mind, if you click it from behind, it's going to go in the opposite direction of you. So if I click it here, it's going to go backwards. And this is an excellent way to teach how to take the coal out of the train. If you click with an empty hand, you will eventually stop the train. Or push it another way. As you can see, I am still pushing these, so be wary of other mobs that you might have around the world. If you have a farm or something, Make sure that your trains are not destroying them by testing your villagers or your endermen or your pigs or anything you might have. Hope this has helped, and enjoy!